You're watching Explore to Shine with Anu.
Before proceeding to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video. With no further delay, let's quickly dive into this video.
In this video, we are going to see the questions on the first 3 chapters of InDesign. The first chapter, Introduction to InDesign. The second chapter, Discovering the Document Window. And the third chapter, Working with Tools and Objects. We are going to see the questions based on these chapters. First session, we have multiple choice. InDesign is a dash software. A. Desktop publishing. B. Bitmap graphics editing. C. Vector graphics. D. Spreadsheet. The right answer is desktop publishing. InDesign is a desktop publishing software. InDesign lets you create dash. A. Document. B. Book. C. Library. D. All. The right answer is all. InDesign lets you create document, book as well as library. Dash button in application bar allows you to manage files, arrange documents, screen modes, view options, go to bridge. The answer for this question, go to bridge button in application bar allows you to manage files. Dash is a drop-down list of commands. A. Flyout. B. Panel. C. Menu. D. Tabs. The right answer is menu is a drop-down list of commands. Dash is used to view different portions of your document. A. Ruler. B. Panel. C. Scroll bar. D. Page control. The right answer is scroll bar. So scroll bar is used to view different portions of your document. Dash allows you to quickly jump from one page to another page. A. Page control. B. Sheet tab. C. Page tab. D. Page navigator. The right answer is page control. So page control or spread control allows you to quickly jump from one page to another page. Dash is an area of the screen where we type and place objects that we want to print. A. Page. B. Drawing area. C. Pasteboard. D. Sheet. The right answer is page. So page is the area of the screen where we type and place objects that we want to print. Moving on to the next question. There are dash number of screen modes. A4, B3, C6, D5. The right answer is 5. There are 5 number of screen modes in InDesign. Dash option lets you adjust the space between columns. A. Margin. B. Gutter. C. Indent. D. Bleed. The right answer is gutter. Gutter option lets you adjust the space between columns. Dash is a working area around the page. Pasteboard. B. Margin. C. Spread. D. Draft board. The answer for this question is pasteboard. So pasteboard is the working area around the page. Bleed area is shown by dash color line. A. Red, B. Black, C. Blue, D. Magenta. The right answer is red. Bleed area is shown by red color line. The default unit of measure of ruler is dash. A. Points, B. Inches, C. Pickers, D. Millimeters. The right answer is pickers. The unit of measure of ruler is pickers by default. Dash holds printing information, customize color bar, information, or display other instructions and descriptions. A. Slug, B. Column, C. Bleed, D. Margin. So the right answer is slug. Slug holds the printing information, customize color bar information, and other instructions. There are dash number of measuring units in InDesign. A5, B2, C9, D6. The answer is 9. There are 9 number of measuring units in InDesign. The point where horizontal and vertical rulers intersect is called dash. A. Vanishing point, B. 0 point, C. Intersecting point, D. Connecting point. The right answer is 0 point. The point where horizontal and vertical rulers intersect is called 0 point. You can move the dash to measure the distance from a specific part of your page. A. 0 point, B. Margin, C. Ruler, D. Panel. The right answer is 0 point. You can move the 0 point to measure the distance from a specific part of your page. Dash helps you to monitor and modify your work. A. Panels, B. Scroll bar, C. Swatches, D. Page tab. The right answer is panels. Panels helps you monitor and modify your work. Arrangement of various elements of application is called as dash. A. Swatches, B. Control panel, C. Tools panel, D. Workspace. The right answer is workspace. Workspace switcher is found in dash. Menu bar, B. Application bar, C. Control panel, D. Scroll bar. The right answer is application bar. Workspace switcher is found in application bar. The default page view is dash. Fit spread to window, B. Actual size, C. Fit page to window, D. Entire pasteboard. The right answer is fit spread to window. The default page view is fit spread to window. Dash feature is used to automatically accommodate the contents to the size or orientation of an alternate layout. A. Pathfinder, B. Master layout, C. Liquid page rule, D. Overriding master page. The right answer is liquid page rule. Features used to automatically accommodate the content to the orientation of an alternate layout. The commands insert pages and remove pages are in dash menu. A. Edit, B. Layout, C. Object, D. View. The right answer is layout. The commands insert pages and remove pages are in layout menu. Dash contains text and graphics that appear on all pages. A. Theme page. B. Cover page. C. Master page. D. Templates. The right answer is master page. Master page contains text and graphics that appear on all pages. The name of the default master page is dash. Left, A master, right, master. The right answer is A master. The name of the default master page is A master. If you need to change something about the master just on a page, you can accomplish this by using dash option, overriding master page. B. Upgrade master page. C. Updating master page. And D. Reload master page. The right answer is overriding master page. If you need to change something about the master just on a page, we can accomplish this using overriding master page option. Dash tool is used to select objects that are inside other objects. A. Selection tool. B. Move tool. C. Direct selection tool. And D. Marquee tool. The right answer is direct selection tool. Direct selection tool is used to select objects that are inside other objects. Next one, with gap tool, use dash to move gap between only two nearest objects. A. Alt plus drag. B. Shift plus drag. D. Control plus drag. And D. Control Alt drag. So the right answer is shift drag. If you want to move the gap between only two nearest objects, we are using shift drag. The shortcut for selection tool is dash. A, V, B, S, C, escape key, and D, both A and C. The right answer is D. We have both A and C, not B. The shortcut key for selection tool is V and escape key. Not B, it's C. There are dash types of frames. A2, B4, C3, D5. The right answer is 3. Four yellow diamonds appear on the rectangle frame, indicates dash mode. Corner, B live corner, C side handle, D live side. The right answer is live corner mode. Four yellow diamonds that appear on the rectangle frame indicates it is in live corner mode. With rectangle tool, press dash key while dragging to get a perfect square. A Alt, B Control, C Shift, D Spacebar. The right answer is Shift. Using pen tool, hold down dash key to get straight line. Shift, B Control, C Alt, D Escape. The right answer is Shift. When you are using pen tool, in order to get straight line, we use Shift key while dragging. Dash tool is used to split or break a path into segment in InDesign. A. Knife. B. Crop. C. Break. D. Scissors. The right answer is scissor. Scissor tool is used to split or break a path into segments in InDesign. Dash tool is used to delete parts of path. A. Eraser tool. B. Scissor tool. C. Knife tool. And D. Crop tool. The right answer is eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to delete parts of path. Dash tool is used to draw free-form path used for fast sketching and handwritten look. A. Pen tool. B. Smooth tool. C. Pencil tool. D. Draw tool. The right answer is pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw free-form path and used for fast sketching and handwritten look. So next we have fill in the blanks. Here comes the first question. InDesign was developed by Dash company in the year Dash. The file created in InDesign is called as Dash and its extension is Dash. Dash button displays the application in full screen and Dash button collapses the application window into an icon on the taskbar. So the answer for this question, InDesign was developed by Adobe System and in the year 1999. The file created in InDesign is called as document and its extension is INDD. Maximize button displays the application in full screen and minimize button collapses the application window into an icon on the taskbar. Next question. Text related options are present in Dash menu and object related options are present in Dash menu. Dash contains all tools for creating and editing your artwork and Dash displays option for the currently selected tool. Dash a small arrow in the lower right corner of the tool and Dash helps you to monitor and modify your work. The answer for this question, text related options are present in type menu and object related options are present in object menu. The toolbar contains all tools for creating and editing your artwork and control panel displays option for the currently selected tool. Flyouts a small arrow in the lower right corner of the tool and panels help you to monitor and modify your work. Next question. By default, the toolbox is on the Dash side of the workspace and panel is on the Dash side of the workspace. The two types of rulers are Dash and Dash. Dash is the area of the screen where we type and place objects that we want to print. And Dash is a workspace for temporarily placing or storing items. By default, the toolbox is on the left side of the workspace and panel is on the right side of the workspace. The two types of rulers are horizontal and vertical rulers. Page is the area of the screen where we type and place objects that we want to print. And pasteboard is a workspace for temporary placing or storing items. Next question. In new document dialog box, the options under intent are print, dash and dash. The next question. The two types of scroll bar are dash and dash. In the new document dialog box, dash option box lets you select a preset if you have saved earlier, and dash helps us to view left and right pages face each other. The answer for this question: in new document dialog box, the options under intent are print, web, and digital publishing. The two types of scroll bar are horizontal and vertical scroll bar. In the new document dialog box, document preset option box lets you to select a preset if you have saved earlier, and facing pages helps us to view the left and right pages face each other. The next question. The default number of columns is dash and the default margin of all side is dash. Page is surrounded by dash color line and the color of margin guide is dash. Dash area allows you to print objects that are arranged at the outer edge of the defined page size, and dash area holds printing information, customize color bar information, and display other instructions and descriptions. The default number of column is 1 and the default margin of all side is 0.5 inches or it's 12.7 mm. Page is surrounded by black color line and the color of margin guide is magenta. Bleed area allows you to print objects that are arranged at the outer edge of the defined page size, and slug area holds printing information, customize color bar information, or display other instructions and descriptions. Moving on to the next question. Dash is a measurement tool that is used to align graphics, text, tables, or other elements, and its default unit of measure is dash. The two types of grids are dash and dash. The answer for these questions: ruler is a measurement tool that is used to align any elements, and its units of measure is picas. The two types of grids are baseline grid and document grid. The next question. Dash grid resembles a ruled notebook paper and dash grid resembles a graph paper. The two types of ruler guides are dash and dash. The two tools for selecting are dash and dash. The answer for these questions: baseline grid resembles a ruled notebook paper and document grid resembles a graph paper. The two types of ruler guides are page guides and spread guides. The two tools for selecting are selection tool and direct selection tool. Dash and dash tools are used for typing the text. Rotate and scale are dash tools. Zoom and hand tools are dash tools. The file created in InDesign is called dash and its extension is dash. Type and type on part tools are used for typing the text. Rotate and scale are transformation tools. Zoom and hand tools are navigation tool. So the file created in InDesign is called as document and its extension is INDD. To save a new document, we use dash command, and to save a file with another name, we use dash command. The shortcut key for saving the file is dash and for save as is dash. The shortcut keys for closing the active document is dash and for closing the application is dash. The answer for these questions: to save a new document, we use save command, and to save a file with another name, we use save as command. The shortcut key for saving the file is Ctrl S and for save as is Shift Ctrl S. The shortcut key for closing the active document is Ctrl W and for closing the application is Ctrl Q. Next question. The minimum zooming percentage is dash and maximum zoom percentage is dash. The two masters are dash and dash. Dash is used to create different page size within a document, and dash tool is used to adjust the space between objects. The answer for these questions: the minimum zoom percentage is 5% and the maximum zoom percentage is 4000%. The two master pages are left and right. So page tool is used to create different page size within a document, and gap tool is used to adjust the space between objects. Next question. Dash tool is used to collect the content from document in a conveyor, and dash tool is used to place the content of conveyor into a document. Dash is a shortcut key for type tool, and dash is a shortcut key for type on a path tool. Next question. Frames up placeholders for dash and dash. The answer for these questions: content collector tool is used to collect the content from a document in a conveyor, and content placer tool is used to place the content of conveyor into a document. T is a shortcut key for type tool, and Shift T is a shortcut key for type on a path tool. Frames are placeholders for text and graphics. The next question. The three types of frames are rectangle, dash and dash. To adjust a single corner, hold down dash key as you drag a diamond, and to cycle through various effects, use dash key while you click the yellow diamond. Next question. Ellipse tool is used to create dash and dash. The answer for these questions: the three types of frames are rectangle, ellipse and polygon tool. To adjust a single corner, we use Shift key as you drag the diamond, and to cycle through various effects, we use Alt key while you click the yellow diamond. Ellipse tool is used to create ellipse and circles. Rectangle tool is used to create dash and dash. Dash tool is used to draw a square, and dash tool is used to draw a star. You can create dash path or dash path using pen tool. Rectangle tool is used to create rectangle or square. Rectangle tool is used to draw a square, and polygon tool is used to draw a star. You can create open path or closed path using pen tool. Next set of question. Dash is a path whose endpoints are not connected, and dash are continuous lines that do not contain endpoint. The two types of curves we can create using pen tool are dash shaped curve and dash shaped curve. Dash option is used to create compound shapes, and dash tool is used to remove extra anchor points in a jagged edges path. Open path is a path whose endpoints are not connected, and closed path are continuous lines that do not contain endpoint. The two types of curves you can create using pen tool are C-shaped curve and S-shaped curve. Pathfinder option is used to create compound shapes, and smooth tool is used to remove extra anchor points in a jagged edges path. Next question. Dash and dash effect are used to add corner effect to rectangle or square. Pressing arrow key will move the object incrementally by dash, and holding shift key and pressing arrow key will move the object incrementally by dash. Dash option is used to move the selected text or object to clipboard, and dash option is used to copy the selected text or object to the clipboard. Corner options and live corner effect are used to add corner effect to rectangle or square. Pressing arrow key will move the object incrementally by 0.25 mm or 0.01 inch. By holding shift key and pressing arrow key will move the object incrementally by 2.5 mm or 0.1 inch. Cut option is used to move the selected text or object to clipboard, and copy option is used to copy the selected text or object to the clipboard. Next question. Dash option is used to copy the selected text or object to the clipboard, and dash option is used to copy and paste the selected text or object without storing in clipboard. The shortcut key for paste without formatting is dash, and for paste into is dash. Dash and dash are the two ways of distribute spacing. Dash option is used to copy the selected text to clipboard, that is copy, and dash option is used to copy and paste the selected text without storing in clipboard, it is duplicate. The shortcut key for paste without formatting is Ctrl-Shift-V, and for paste into is Ctrl-Alt-V. Distribute horizontal space and distribute vertical space are the two ways of distribute spacing. Dash and dash tools are used to create open and closed path. The answer for these questions: pen and pencil tools are used to create open and closed path. Next session we have true or false. Here comes the first question. Adobe InDesign CS6 opens a Facebook link for InDesign with latest tips. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. Adobe InDesign opens a Facebook link for InDesign with latest tips. Create new option is used to show the list of recently opened documents. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Create new option will help you to create a new document. So the answer is false. InDesign is a successor of PageMaker. True or false? The right answer is true. Yes, InDesign is a successor of PageMaker. There are 7 menus by default in the menu bar. True or false? The right answer is false. There are actually 9 menus in the menu bar by default. Every page or spread has its own pasteboard. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. Every page will have its own pasteboard. Column guides are in magenta color. True or false? The answer is false. Margins are magenta in color, whereas column guides are in violet color. So the answer is false. The shortcut key to show or hide ruler is Alt-R. True or false? The answer is false. The shortcut key for show or hide rulers is Ctrl-R, not Alt-R. So the answer is false. Baseline grid resembles a graph paper. True or false? The answer is false. So baseline grid will resemble a ruled notebook paper, whereas document grid resembles a graph paper. Hence the answer is false. The default page size is A4. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. The default page size in InDesign is A4. Page guides appear on all pages. True or false? The answer is false. Page guide will appear only for the current page. The shortcut key to display grids is Ctrl. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. The shortcut key to display grids is Ctrl single quote. True. Doc is a collection of panels. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. Doc is a collection of panels. Master page is a non-printing page used as templates for all pages in your document. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. Master pages is a non-printing page which is used as a templates for all the pages in your document. By default, the document contains only one master. True or false? The answer is false. You have 2 masters left and right. The shortcut key to add pages is Shift-Ctrl-P. True or false? The answer is true. You can create many master pages. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. You can create many master pages. Direct selection tool is used to reshape the object. True or false? Yes, it is true. The content collector tool and content place tool has the same shortcut key B. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. To draw shapes from center out, hold down Ctrl key while dragging. True or false? The answer is false. You cannot apply different corner effect and radius to each corner of an rectangle. True or false? The answer is false. You can apply different corner effect for each corner of a rectangle. So the answer is false. Frames are identified by 4 vertical lines. True or false? The answer is false. Frames are identified by 2 lines. For open path, you cannot apply fill. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Open path, you cannot apply fill. Delete option from edit menu will delete the selected object. True or false? The answer is false. You don't have delete option in the edit menu. So the answer is false. Duplicating is faster than copy and paste. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. The shortcut keys to duplicate is Ctrl Alt Shift D. Is it true or false? The answer is true. The shortcut key to duplicate is Ctrl Alt Shift D in InDesign. Step and repeat option can be used to create a full page of duplicates. True or false? Yes, it is true. Step and repeat option can be used to create a page full of duplicates. Moving on to the next session, questions with multiple answers. The first question, mention the different sessions of welcome screen. So what are the options you have in welcome screen? Open recent items, create new, community, getting started, new features, and we also have resources. The next question, mention the different screen modes in InDesign. Normal. Next one we have preview, bleed, slug, and presentation. So these are the different screen modes that we have in InDesign. Next question, mention the 5 types of commands in the pull down menus. Command with ellipses, commands with arrows, command with check mark, commands that are dimmed, and commands with shortcut keys. So the 5 types of commands in the pull down menus are command with ellipse, command with arrows, command with check mark, commands that are dimmed, commands with shortcut keys. Mention the different page views. You have zoom in, zoom out, fit page to window, fit spread to window, actual size, entire pasteboard, and zoom to. So all these are page views. Next question. Tools are classified into. So they are classified into 4 types. Selection tools, drawing and type tools, transformation tool, and we have navigation tools. and all the tools are present in dash. So all the tools are present in toolbox, or you say it is tools panel. Mention the different types of operation you can perform with selection tool. With selection tool, you can select the object, move, resize the object, scale the object, and rotate the object. The types of operation you can perform with selection tool are select, move, resize, scale, and rotate. The next question, mention the shortcut keys for the following. Direct selection tool, page tool, gap tool, line tool, and pencil tool. The answer for these questions, direct selection tool we have A, page tool it's shift P, gap tool we have U, line tool is backslash, and pencil tool we have N. Next question, mention the different shapes of rounded corners of rectangle. We have fancy, B, bevel, C, inset, inverse rounded, and rounded. The different shapes of rounded corners are fancy, bevel, inset, inverse rounded, rounded. Mention the various fitting options of a frame. Fit content to frame, fit frame to content, center content, fit content proportionally, and fit frame proportionally. The various fitting options of a frame are fit content to frame, fit frame to content, center content, fit content proportionally, and fill frame proportionally. The next question, you can convert a point on a path to plane, corner, smooth, symmetrical. Convert direction point tool is in dash tool flyout. It is in pen tool flyout. Next question, mention the options in Pathfinder panel. Add, subtract, intersect, exclude overlap, and minus back. The options in Pathfinder panel, add, subtract, intersect, exclude overlap, minus back. Mention the different types of paste options. We have paste, duplicate, duplicate objects into a grid, duplicate a selected object as you transform, paste without formatting, paste into. We also have paste and link, and step and repeat. So these are the different ways you can paste. Mention the different ways you can align the objects. Align left edges, align right edges, align top edges, align bottom edges, and align horizontal centers, and you also have align vertical centers. Moving on to the next question, mention the different ways you can distribute objects. Distribute top edges, distribute bottom edges, distribute left edges, distribute right edges, distribute vertical centers, and distribute horizontal centers.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.